Hello, this is me on my channel, but I'm just curious. We having this worst snowstorm of the year, and when we go like this, it smells like burning plastic. And no joke, this literally smells like burning plastic. See how it's smoking? You see how it's smoking off of the fucking snow? One thing you haven't noticed is there's no drips. It's just melting. Call me a conspiracy theory all you want, but isn't snow ice, and doesn't ice melt with heat? Why is it not even dripping? Why can we only smell burning plastic? This is odd. Still, no moisture at all. What is this?